Welcome! Today, we'll show you how to enable backup codes on Roblox. This feature is essential for keeping your account safe. First, open Roblox and go to your account settings. You'll find this in the menu on the upper right corner. Next, navigate to the Security tab. Here, you'll see options for two-step verification and backup codes. Enable two-step verification if you haven't already. This adds an extra layer of safety to your account. Now, click on Generate Backup Codes. You'll get a list of codes that you can use when you can't access your account. Make sure to save these codes somewhere secure. They're your lifeline if you ever get locked out of your account. In summary, enabling backup codes on Roblox is a simple process that enhances your account's security. Don't hesitate. Protect your gaming experience by setting this up today. Thanks for watching. For more helpful tips, be sure to subscribe to our channel. Your account's safety is in your hands. Enable those backup codes and game on. See you next time. Keep gaming safe and have fun. Remember, a little precaution goes a long way in the gaming world.